Hi guys, so today, I'm playing Roblox. My name is LGM_Jack Roblox123. If I said that too fast, I'm sorry. Someone sent me a friend request, I think. Hurry up and load. I want to see who it was. Probably one of our fans. Yes, I don't care. No, that's it. My sister was accidentally pressed ignore. Oh my god. Well, I'm going to be playing I don't know. Oh, this is a really boring game. I'm going to play it. Don't press the button. Don't press the button. Is it number 2? Cool. Okay, I'm gonna get this. Whoa, don't press the button. Alright, let's play. Yeah, the person that made this game, Crazy Studios, yeah, you are pretty crazy. Made this crazy game. Oh, and guys, I don't watch my videos because, well, I just upload them. I don't watch them to see if they're good or not. I just upload them. Well, I'm just gonna tell you when this is. Oh, yeah, it's done. Okay. Uni, I see you. Let's go down this tongue. There's no floor. I don't have a floor. Woohoo! Wondering where I got all this stuff? I got all this stuff from Roblox Creator Challenge. I'm falling straight down. What just happened? I think there's no floor. Yeah, there is no floor. Yay! It's laggy. Get on the platform. Quick. What darn platform? What the? Why was there an explosion while I was running? Tsunami incoming. I'm running inside. Can I get inside? No, I can't. You should have warned me that I couldn't go inside. Wait. Ah! I thought we couldn't walk up. Okay, I should stop being silly now. Why is it Galaxy? Yeah! Oh, I was just about to go. Yay! Shop. Donate. Gravity coil. Jeez. I don't even have any Robux. Coins shop. Foam finger. Do I even have anything? Epic duck. Don't care. Jeez, I didn't know. Okay, I'm stop. I'm just gonna stop. I'm gonna stop being silly now. Really stop. I really am. I'm not joking. Simulation games. Jeez. Yay! Alright, what emotes can I do? Oh, I don't know what's gonna happen if I press the button. I don't know. Oh! Who's that person? There's a person there. Killing with a stick. Don't you dare. Unicorn, you need to play a different game. So boulders are coming. What are boulders again? Ah! Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Galaxy. I'm pressing the button. We can bounce high. I'm pressing the button with my thumb. Press, 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 press. Oh, I pressed make ball. What was that? I was about to say I pressed and made someone blow. And I just was like, oh, I don't even know what blow is. Who is that? Hi, give me that coin. Did you give me it? Good. Better off. Give me the coin before the person comes. Get on the platform. Luckily, I was right next to it. Hey. Uh-oh, the button has disappeared. Where is it? Oh no, I don't know. It's there! Found it! It was me that found it, not anyone else. It was me, just me. Doge, 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 doge. If I touch Doge, I'll probably die. Get away from me! Wait, what is the music? Doge, 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 doge. Wait, is this gonna be copyrighted music? More Doge? Now what? Oh, now that's a victory royale. What the? Yes, I knew I was gonna die. I was timing it, but I couldn't see properly, dude. Your boy, Kuchu. Oh, it's always there. Jeez. I was right there, close to it. Hey, why am I over here now? What's in the chat? Yep. Oh, I actually survived. Now let's do this. You can't use emotes right now. What about now? Yay! You scary. I think I see it in the distance. No, that was nothing. Tsunami. Incoming. Hey, I'm so close. Oh my gosh. Well, where is that button? Yeah, skip it. Hey, it didn't let me jump properly. Yeah. Guess we have to watch those. That. Why is a noob actually winning? The blue guy, he's a noob. Look at him. Yes, die, die, die! Yes. Who is this? Hey! Guess we have to watch everyone else. I'm actually pretty angry. Yeah, it's going faster. Yeah, she's not gonna make it, I know. Oh! This will be the last one, then I'm gonna do another video, because I'm just doing videos instantly. Now that didn't count as one. We have to do a pretty long one. What is this? The explosion thing again. Ah! Well, that's not a victory royale.